Good morning. Today's Tuesday, March the 24th, and I just wanted to provide you with another quick real estate update. Things are changing very quickly, of course, in the world and in the real estate market at large. The market's still very active. There's still a lot of homes being listed, and there's still a lot of homes that are being sold at this time. I'm not going to provide stats in this video because there's three key items that I wanted to talk about in this video. So as most of you I'm sure know, that the government announced yesterday that they're going to be closing all non-essential businesses and services as of midnight tonight. It was very unclear until late last night as to whether real estate would be completely shut down at this point, and a lot of uncertainty around that. However, it has been noted that real estate agent services, land registration services, moving services, and of course lawyer and legal services have been deemed as essential services and will still be conducted for the foreseeable future. With that said, myself personally, I'm trying to stay inside as much as possible. I'm willing to help out clients that need these services, buyers that absolutely need to buy, sellers that need to sell. But with that said, if you're looking to do a buy and sell, move up or move down, we should absolutely be holding off at this time. The second thing is mortgage deferral relief. So if you've been significantly impacted by COVID-19 with regard to cash flow, the big banks have announced that they are offering mortgage deferral relief. I'm going to be providing a link below to a CBC article that outlines some of those banks and links that will help you get to your particular lender. It looks like there's different solutions by the different banks, and they're going on a case-by-case basis. One thing to consider and ask your lender is whether interest will still accumulate during the deferral period. In most, if not all cases, it looks like interest will still accrue. So while it may help you out on a short-term cash flow basis, it could cost you thousands in the long term. So again, I'll provide a link below on that. And then the third item that I wanted to talk about is that the Landlord and Tenant Board has issued a notice, and through the Government of Ontario, that they're going to be suspending all issuance of eviction orders and all hearings at this time. So if you're a landlord and you're not getting paid, you cannot evict at this time. It doesn't mean for tenants that you cannot pay the landlord. So it's a little unclear there, but all evictions and eviction notices are temporarily being suspended. So if you're a landlord, take note. It may be worthwhile to talk to your lender in advance to see if you could defer mortgage payments, because there may be some tenants out there who are just unwilling or unable to pay at this time. I think unable is the proper a term for that. Tenants who are able to pay should certainly be paying. But again, I'll provide a link below to the Landlord and Tenant Board so that you have further information about that. So with that said, those are some of the key things that I wanted to get across today. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. Happy to chat with you at any time. And of course, stay safe. I hope you're at home and getting some great family quality time in. So thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.